Hi my dear YouTube fragrance friends, welcome to my channel. How are you doing today? Today guys, I thought that I will show you my perfumes that I have, and I will show you basically the rain. You know, the rain, today we have a yellow rain warning, so obviously, like as you can see, the rain is just pouring right there. And do you have the same weather conditions? It's a yellow warning here, so there is yellow, orange and red warning, so it's yellow. It's a rain warning that we have. And guys, today I was using this perfume. It's Opulent Musk. Beautiful perfume, guys. Recommend you to get this perfume. And what could I say, guys? Yesterday I was targeting to wear something else, something that would be not Middle Eastern perfume, because I talked about it already a lot, and I thought, let me try. You know, I thought, should I wear Calvin Klein, you know, like this one, Downtown, or should I wear Jenny Glow, Jo Malone, you know, Blackberry and Bay perfume? And I decided that I will wear that Blackberry and Jo Malone perfume, you know, that dupe for Jo Malone. And guys, I sprayed it on my hand last night, and I just couldn't stand the vibe that it gave me. It gave me cheap type of old-fashioned vibe that I just couldn't. And I turned my eyes, guys, again and again to Middle Eastern perfumes, as it always happens, guys. So my love for Middle Eastern perfumes is never ending so far, and I will be talking about it this video. So I have 8 perfume. There is some that is not Middle Eastern. As you can see, there is this Downtown perfume. Let's kind of wrap it up guys, very quick. What's the story about? Opulent Musk. When I sprayed it first, I thought that this particular vibe, I felt it somewhere, and I realized that it's a mix of Sheikh Al Sujuk, like this caramel bottle, and mixed with you know, An Abiath Rouge by Lattafa as well. So I thought it's somewhere I have seen it, but today, guys, is a revelation that there is more of An Abiath Rouge in this particular perfume, which is more pleasant. So that Sheikh Al Sujuk vibe is there, but not as too much, you know, which actually Sheikh Al Sujuk is not my type, to be honest. I wear it. I was mixing it with Choco Musk. This one, I was mixing it, you know. And Sheikh Al Sujuk, guys, I was enjoying it, but definitely not as much as other Middle Eastern perfumes, because some of the Middle Eastern perfume, you know, they can be fresh, like Dirham Vardi, for example, or it can have like a coziness, or it can have some kind of fantastic sweetness that can really surprise you guys. So I would definitely, guys, recommend you to try Opulent Musk by Lattafa, because it's a beautiful perfume. Oh my goodness. So it's feminine perfume, guys, a little bit leaning towards feminine, although men who like sweetness, they can wear it too, but actually the bottle suggests that it's already, guys, feminine perfume, guys. So that's what I would like to say. And then what else do we continue now? So where could I put this perfume? Opulent Musk, you can see it, isn't it? And then let's talk about, we talk about super quick, not too much, because that's not Middle Eastern perfume. Downtown, Calvin Klein, guys. Downtown perfume, I reached very good results with layering with eccentric molecules, you know, molecular one, and that was summer that day, and I remember I was in some kind of important meeting or whatever, you know, a few years ago, and I mixed this perfume with eccentric molecules, guys, and I reached these type of glorious results that I thought, who is wearing that, some kind of perfume? And then after that I realized it's actually my perfume. It actually was Downtown, you know, Calvin Klein perfume mixed with molecules, you know. And that day was the most glorious for me, guys, because I was feeling elevated, you know. I nearly wanted to ask the person sitting beside me, maybe that person is wearing perfume, but let me tell you, it was myself was wearing this type of glorious perfume. The Calvin Klein perfume by itself is not glorious, but I mean, I reached good results when I layered it with eccentric molecules, you know. So that's what I would like to say to you guys. Eccentric molecules. So the rain is still pouring, and we can still, guys, continue speaking about perfumes, you know, perfumes, Middle Eastern perfumes. That's a lovely perfume, this one, Dirham Vardi. Why don't I put it over here? So guys, Dirham Vardi, you know, Dirham Vardi perfume, it's a glorious perfume as well, glorious in its own white florals, brightness and freshness and type of femininity in this perfume. There is Dirham Gold as well. I was thinking to wear it today, Dirham Gold. That one is unisex, but actually is very clearly manly smell. smell, but I couldn't get enough confidence, guys, with wearing Dirham Gold perfume because it's too manly. I didn't know what to do with it, guys. So Dirham Wardi, I guys can acknowledge you that this is feminine perfume. It's for women, and it's very, very likable. The most beautiful white florals, maybe that you you know, one of the most beautiful that you would try, you know, Dirham Wardi. It says the bottle is just like niche quality. The cheapness, the affordability of this perfume is just fantastic. And then, guys, I did made let me see, where would I put now? Where would I put this particular perfume? Somewhere that wouldn't fall. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. It's fine, guys. Everything is fine. Everything is under control here. Everything is under control. I'm gonna put this perfume right here so you could actually see all of them. Something fell over. I don't know what fell over, but anyway. So Calvin Klein. Okay, so yeah, so guys, this Dirham Wardi perfume I would like to recommend you very much. It's very beautiful perfume, guys. I like, this is my first white floral perfume that I would say that I like, guys, really 100%. And then we go with this one. You know that I did recently this comparison, guys, with this is Ard Al Musk, Ard Al Musk perfume, Ard Al Musk. I did comparison with this pink one, Dirham Wardi, right there. I did it. You know, and my favorite probably would be Dirham Wardi because there is the sophisticated sweetness there, which is very nice. But I like them both very much. I like them both. The bottle is just outstanding. I never had such bottle, guys. Oh my goodness, guys, this type of bottle is just fantastic, fantastic. Some people say that, you know, this perfume is not for them, that is a bit too strong, but I don't understand what there would be too strong, because it's just like white floral with citrus, you know, so what is there too strong? But also, some people say, like one of my subscribers, and thank you very much for always commenting me, said that it's her favorite, you know, it's her favorite, like if you would compare Dirham Wardi and this one, you know, so I think each person decides for themselves. I like them both, but I would say they are similar, in my opinion, although some people say it's not similar. So you guys decide for yourself, you know, what is similar, what is not similar for you. I will put it back, this bottle, guys, so it will not fall. And then, guys, what else we could talk about? We could talk about, let's say, Choco Musk, guys. So Choco Musk, I layered, guys, Choco Musk together with Sheikh Al Sujuk. Maybe I will take Sheikh Al Sujuk right now. So Sheikh Al Sujuk is not my loved perfume. No, not at all, guys. If all of the Middle Eastern perfume, guys, would be, let's say, in such vibe, then I would not be into this perfume, you know. But I got compliment once while wearing this perfume, and that day, guys, I layered it with Choco Musk, you know. Choco Musk is a great layering scent by Al Rehab. So this perfume, guys, is very well known, Sheikh Al Sujuk. And this type of vibe you could see in many perfumes. Some people say even in Swiss Arabian perfume, you know, that one of the most popular perfume there has. I never tried that one, I don't know, guys. And then I must reassure you guys that it's also this perfume, you know, Sheikh Al Sujuk. There is a vibe as well, a little bit in Opulent Musk, but very little. And this one too, guys, there is a vibe, and Tif Al Hab as well, with that one has some rose in it. So it seems like, guys, this Sheikh Al Sujuk type of smell is very popular, you know, in Middle Eastern type of perfumes. Maybe because, you know, like, I don't know why, guys. And Oud Faza, I don't know, did I told you or I didn't told you yet. So Oud Faza, a little bit, it was overpriced perfume. I think, guys, I paid too much for this perfume, because I paid too much, guys. It's I paid 28 euro or 29. Now I would only pay 10 euro or 15. It's no point. So this perfume is a little bit similar to Pour Oudi, or you know, Sheikh Al Sujuk mixed with jasmine, or there is something from Tiv Hub as well, Tiv Hub, you know, by Ard Al Zaafaran. So basically, when the reviews about this perfume, some people say it's too strong for them, but actually it's not as strong as Pour Oudi, you know, that jasmine is a bit toned down. You know, Oud Faza. Actually, to be honest with you, I wasn't wearing this perfume a lot yet. The same like Pour Oudi, I wasn't wearing it. These type of perfumes I very likely would wear nearly Christmas time, because it kind of resembles me, this type of you know, like Purudi, this type of cinnamon there or whatever. I believe in this one it's kind of might be, there is no cinnamon there, guys, but it's kind of resembles a little bit as if there would be cinnamon in this perfume, you know. Not my favorite, definitely, guys, not my favorite. Oud Faza wouldn't be my favorite, you know. What else do we have right here? We have something else, guys. Let me take it out for you right now. Let me take it out for you right now, guys. I have this perfume, Velvet Oud, guys. Velvet Oud perfume. Also, I'm not wearing this perfume very often, only because it's a little bit on the stronger side. It's leather type of side, guys. I must compare one day for you this Velvet Oud with Lattafa leather. You know, I must compare you because there is certain similarity. I do prefer that Lattafa leather one instead of this one, but this one is also beautiful. As I always say, guys, I would wear this perfume if I would like to wear stronger perfume, leather perfume. Wouldn't spray a lot, 3 sprays, and I would dress up in some kind of mysterious way, and then I would walk around, guys, you know, wearing this perfume, you know. Otherwise, not super duper suitable for office because it's a bit, that leather is too strong, unless you would only spray 1 spray, not more than that, you know. Otherwise can be a bit not suitable for the workplace because it's leather, you know, leather perfume. But also there is citrus which actually tones down that leather, you know. It's a combination of those notes, guys. A little bit leaning perhaps towards masculine. So let's say, guys, if you are a male person like leather perfume, then go with that one. If you are a woman that likes, let's say, male perfumes, then go with that one. But if you are a lady just that doesn't like male perfumes, then go with the Lattafa leather. Is slightly toned down, but the Lattafa leather also could be considered as a bit strong. I will show you another time, guys, or you can find it on my channel. So that would be, guys, my story of the day, guys, of the day. So as you could see, guys, there is downtown Calvin Klein, there is Opulent Musk by Lattafa, beautiful perfume, and then Velvet Oud, and then there is Dirham Vardi, there is Sheikh Al Sujuk, and then there is this beautiful bottle Choco Musk layering perfume. So my story of the day is like that, guys. What type of perfumes do you keep in your bags today? Do you bring a lot of perfumes in your bag when you go, you know, to work or anything like that? What's in your bag today in terms of perfumes? What do you keep in your bag? Which perfume do you keep? Sometimes perfume can be a bit big, isn't it, to keep it in the bag? Sometimes can be not comfortable, you know. So, but sometimes it's necessary. Sometimes if you want to respray it, if I need to respray it, guys, I only respray you know, second time. Very rarely that you would need to spray Middle Eastern perfume 3 times, because to be honest, they are quite powerful, you know. They are so powerful that you wouldn't even know, you know. That's why you need to try. I will come back to you guys another time. Like this video so I can meet you again and you can meet me again. And here so far I'm talking about Middle Eastern perfume, but also I have other perfumes which seem to be not winners for me, you know. So I always come back to Middle Eastern perfumes for some kind of reason. Anyway, I will be back to you. Have a beautiful day, maybe perhaps more sunny day, and bye bye, guys. See you soon.